Today I'm sharing a simple and delicious stir-fried pumpkin with pork and basil leaves. This recipe is for 4 servings. Start with cutting 150 grams of yellow onion into strips. Then, leave them in a bowl and set aside. Crush 60 grams of garlic and mince them. Leave them in a bowl. Next, cut 30 grams of red and green bird eye chili half vertically and set aside. Cut 30 grams of spring onion into 1 inch in length and leave aside. I have 750 grams of pumpkin here. It has been washed and scrubbed thoroughly. Using a spoon, scoop out the fibers and seed. Then, carefully cut it into half. Removing all the skin. Slice the pumpkin thinly. Put them in a bowl and leave aside. Next, slice 300 grams of pork shoulder thinly as well. Set aside in a mixing bowl. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt and rub to marinate evenly. Rotate the pork, add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt and repeat. Alright, leave it aside. Now all the ingredients are ready. Let's cook it. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 50 ml of cooking oil to the pan and the minced garlic. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the garlic is fragrant and turn golden brown. Alright, remove it from the pan. Next, add 25 grams of shrimp paste to the garlic oil. Fry it, stirring often to break the lumps. Add the yellow onions and chili. Fry to mix for about 30 seconds. Then, add the pork slices. Stir fry for about 1 minute or until the pork has changed color to gray. Add the pumpkin slices, half tablespoon of sugar, and 150 ml of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Make sure to rotate them every 2 to 3 minutes to evenly cook the pumpkin and pork. After 8 minutes, check if the pumpkin is soft. Usually if it is thin slices, it will become soft really fast. Give it a taste. Wow, this is really delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's already good. Next, add in all the cut spring onions and 60 grams of basil leaves. Give them a light stir. Usually they don't need a long time to cook and soften easily with the residual heat. Just stir them for a few seconds or until they blend into the dish. Alright, perfect. Switch off the heat. For the final touch, add all the fried garlic and give it a stir. It is done. The stir-fried pumpkin with pork and basil leaves is ready for the family. Let's eat. Oh wow, this is delicious. The pork is tender and pumpkin is soft and sweet. It's flavorful with the fragrance of garlic and basil leaves. It also goes really well with white rice. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.